Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Okay, so we're gonna get into the fun stuff where I get creative. Well, more creative than it is. Okay, so we're gonna go on Claude here, and we are going to make a system like Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes, Glovo, which is in Europe, and and obviously they're competitors. Okay, but what makes it smarter? What makes it stand out? I already did something already in a similar type of manner. I still have the code, but it was for a restaurant, but it wasn't smart. I just wanted to just make something, but obviously now I know how to do intelligence multipliers and all that type of stuff. Yeah, let's make it a little bit smarter. I could throw the code in. Maybe for another day, maybe I'll do a part two with the code. But just for the example, we're just going to keep it simple and keep it clean and a lot easier due to the fact that, as they say, at times, the AI does make mistakes and sometimes gets confused. So that is a possibility. So yeah, I was trying to upload something today for my Instagram, and I had a couple of tries, but like Higgsfield came in clutch. Yes, they clutched it. Some other, I don't know, just a weird freak out day. Woke up, did my stuff, and I wanted. So if anyone doesn't follow me, I will put the link. I'll maybe put my Instagram or something. I'll need to do some stuff on my like on another account, but I will put the link here to check it out. And it's a series where I'm doing about a cat that sells donuts, and yeah, like I was trying to do it and it was kind of glitching out. So Higgsfield, it did it with a twist. It wasn't exactly how how do you say envisioned it, but it still worked. I'll take a W. As they say, if it finally works, just run with it. So I was just like, it finally worked. So I wasn't gonna do it again after like six tries. Oh, the joys. Can't. So looking like there's still a little bit of an after effect of the AI when everything happened and people were freaking out and stuff like that. But like, yeah, some of the outage. But like, what it is, what it is. They came in clutch. I spoke to one of. I spoke to. I think it was the founder. And then I told her that you just came in clutch. She just like again, she came in clutch, man. So we're doing this, and then obviously we need to name it something. Monica. I was actually supposed to do something today with that, but I didn't. Again, and it was yeah. The morning was interesting, to say the least, and still going into the afternoon. But okay, so let's check it out. This, and we're using Sonnet 4. We will do maybe another black box video to see how it is on Opus. So we're going to do that as well. Right. Obviously, people know what Uber Eats is and everything. So like, it's not, as I say, it's not that like yeah, Glovo, Uber Eats, Skip the Dishes. As they say, Claude isn't that bad. So as they say, Claude, as they say, like it's popular. Yeah, yeah. Obviously, it's a lot more popular in like the states and like other countries, like Sweden and Norway and a lot of the colder countries. But obviously in America, like the colder countries, yeah, because obviously you can't. Sweden, it's like it's the middle of January. It's -40. You're freezing. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get Skip the Dishes or something like that, or whatever it could be, or Glovo, or Uber Eats, or whatever it could be. Um, so yeah, in America too. Like, as they say, the South is nice and warm, but like sometimes when like again you come home tired from work, and the last thing you want to do is hop in the car or walk 20 minutes to like I don't know, Domino's or like KFC or whatever. It's just like it's just not happening. So obviously, you just go on Uber Eats or something like that, and you go on your phone or you go onto the website on the web page and you just order it. So obviously, we can black box it to a certain degree, but the problem is that black box is a beast. It is. I did my review, and it's really good, but I think the only thing that the problem is that it doesn't have self hosting. Um, but apart from that, it's really good. But obviously, to get all the other features of the self hosting, we would obviously GenSpark it. Okay, so here's Monica. So you got your search for restaurants, obviously, well, like whatever it could be. Obviously, this is just like a demo. And then obviously you got your smart optimization, stuff like that. So obviously you would obviously go onto the website, and you would log in. Obviously, pretend you log in. You type in your password, and then you would order. Okay, so let's say for example, I don't know, something off the kitchen. Okay, so grilled sea bass, boom. You add it to the cart. Oh, it's interactive. So they're finally learning from people. As they say, influencers good. Then you go onto your account. You go to the cart. Obviously, this is just a demo. You go into the cart, and then obviously, since it's an online type of system, you would obviously put your debit or your credit card in, and yeah, you would do that, because obviously since it's online and they're not going to be walking like half an hour, so you would do that. Or maybe they accept Bitcoin, some cryptocurrency, so that's another option too. I think so you do that, boom, and then you get that, and then now let's say you want some nice Japanese too. You put in your vegetables, right here, boom, and then okay, so that's it, and then you're good. So let's say you're live. Oh, boom! Straight from the website, live the early tracking. Boom, boom. Order Carlos M. Obviously your delivery partner, terms of control, blah blah blah, all that type of stuff. Obviously, try your bowl, and then obviously you got your grilled sea bass and your vegetables. So the total of the grilled sea bass would be around 19 euros, and then your vegetables would be around 18.5. It's debatable, 18, 19, around that. So your total would be around I have to say 30 euros or $30 in America. Well, that's not including tax, so it's around like maybe 35. This is just straight up euros, just right there. And then obviously you proceed to checkout, and then you got all that type of stuff. And then obviously this is just a website, but maybe they have an app. So obviously for Android and iOS. Um, and then you can just see it off the app, off the tracking, and then obviously it gives you a live time. And then obviously your order number would be this, or like your on the website, or like your, and then obviously you would then just show the the um the number, and then that's it. And then there you go. You got your food in around I don't know, 20-30 minutes, maybe less. So obviously cost optimization bundle with Sarah, and get a 40% delivery off, a quality guarantee, health tracking, smart optimization. So this is just something. Obviously, this is like since I obviously put Glovo, so obviously it's within Europe, so and it's obviously popular in the Mediterranean. So obviously healthy eating, and then that's it. And then obviously this is just an example, but obviously like KFC, all that type of stuff would do it. So, but if you want to make your own type of system, just you can do it on Claude or Blackbox, and after to get the live hosting, you it's because Blackbox Claude, there's Sonnet 4 and the Opus on there. I haven't, and I also have their own version, which is pretty good. But then there you go, and that's it. That's about it. Then you got your little site, and then you can partner with people, or let's say it's just um, that, and then that's it. And then that's it. And then you got your own type of stuff. You can put your own menu, and obviously they would have to use your service or your delivery people, and then you start getting more and more people, and then that's how it is. There you go. That is how you make a Obviously, next gen food delivery app or platform with AI. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z, signing out.